welcome to the weekly predictions. This time we'll be talking about last 4 days of August and first 3 days of September to understand how exactly the week will be based on. The week starting from Monday, that is 28th of August, and ending on Sunday, that is 3rd of September. Precisely, we'll be doing more or less the same stuff that we've been doing earlier as well, that is pulling a card each from Tarot and Archangel or Angel cards. The tarot cards would actually tell how the week will be based, and angel cards would tell what exactly the guidance would be. Slight difference, the only thing that I'll be doing is that this time I'll be putting 3 cards from tarot decks to understand how exactly the week will be. And moving ahead, here's the first card, the second, and the third card. Looking at the cards, it gives a feeling that the week will be a mixed one where there might well be situations where you will have a couple of opportunities coming your way, but then at the same time, when there are a couple of opportunities that come, there's always a certain thought process that comes in. That means a stage of confusion is something that comes in. And then at the same time, on family front, yes, this looks a perfect week. So these are the 3 cards that basically we have. As we move forward, I'll precisely go ahead and explain, but then these are the 3 cards. We'll actually be starting with multiple opportunities that would come your way, and then at the same time thought processes wherein you might have confusion as to which is the one meant for you, which is the right one for you, and which is the one that you should go ahead and pick. And at the same time, on family front, yes, things are looking positive, things are rosy. So there's a rosy picture that is coming your way. Whatever efforts you've done in the past, you definitely will be reaping the benefits of those, and there might well be an opportunity for few of you to get a news of family expansion. So that is something which is pretty much on the cards right now. Thought process, opportunities, and expansion in family is something that is looking for the week. Yes, greenery at the back on this card also indicates that you will have flourishing opportunities coming your way. You will have situations where you will definitely grow and move up to the next level. That is how basically it will be. Pulling a card from Archangel Michael card to understand what the guidance is, and then we'll try to sum up the guidance from Tarot and Archangel cards. Archangel cards also says that seek opportunities from nature. It says seek opportunities from nature that will help you. So nature is something that will give you the best response that you've been looking forward to. Nature is something that will come forward and give you all the benefits for, or all the rewards for the efforts that you've done in the past. So summing up the guidance, I would say be clear about your opinions, be clear as to what exactly you want to achieve, and then go with your instinct, go with your intuitive approach. Whatever your mind says, first you go ahead and grab it. Dedicate a little bit of time with family, friends. That is something which you've been missing for quite some time, and that is something which will give you happiness in this week as well. And at the same time, be close to nature. Romance is something that is creeping in, so this particular week could well be a romantic week where you will spend some time with your friends, families, and it's advisable as well. What I always generally suggest, I had heard somewhere that if you are confused in picking opportunities as to which is the one meant for you, go ahead and toss a coin. It will not tell you which is the one meant for you, but while the coin is in the air, you'll get to know what is your mind seeking for. That's it for the week. Enjoy, have a great week. Until we meet the next, take care, God bless, be happy, and spread happiness. Thank you.